Okay, it says that the payment went,
Okay, great. Thank you.
and then it says it's saying that you're in the neighborhood now, and to come right on over.
Yeah, I know that thing is so far behind.
So I guess I'll just end it, huh?
Oh yeah, you can. If it said you went, you're fine.
Well, I hope I didn't make the dumbest decision of my life.
Oh no, there's much more worse decisions to be made. I mean,
But I hope so.
if anything, like you said, if you got an event tomorrow, then this might have been the best decision you could have made, because I don't think you'd be getting a fridge before the Super Bowl.
You know it. And they got it under wraps and hauled out here, it'll be 2 days.
Yeah.
Well, I sure didn't know that page was warranty.
Yeah, it's not. It's, you know,
I've
don't.
written the date on it, you know, and stapled the receipt on it.
Well, for all we know, maybe you bought it in January 2015. I don't know. You know, because that 10-year warranty is like from to the day.
I remember.
Because essentially,
I remember I looked at it through Christmas.
Uh-huh.
They had sales on it going on in Christmas. And then they had a real hot after Christmas sale. And I didn't go in there for a week. And this gal and me got to be pretty good friends, and I've been in there looking at it so much.
Mm-hmm.
Then I bought Sears maintenance insurance along with it. I'll never forget, she would tell me, she was, with that high-tech machine, you need to buy maintenance insurance. So I did.